P block elements 2, structure of oxides of nitrogen. In this video we are going to discuss about structure of dinitrogen pentoxide or simply nitrogen pentoxide with the molecular formula N2O5, and there is one oxygen bridge between two nitrogen atom in this structure. There is a oxygen bridge between two nitrogen atom in this structure. Structure of nitrogen pentoxide N2O5, also called dinitrogen pentoxide. Nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The valency shell containing 5 electron. Oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The valency shell containing 6 electron. In nitrogen pentoxide or dinitrogen pentoxide, we have 2 nitrogen and 5 oxygen equal to 2 into nitrogen 5 electron plus 5 into oxygen 6 electron. So total number of electrons are equal to 5 into 6 are 30, 30 plus 10 equal to 40 electrons are present in dinitrogen pentoxide or nitrogen pentoxide. How to draw the structure? We have 2 nitrogen atom, so 1 nitrogen, another nitrogen. How many oxygen? 5 oxygen. For 1 nitrogen, 2 oxygen, another nitrogen, 2 oxygen, and 1 oxygen is written in between 2 nitrogen atom. Join all the atoms by a single bond, with a single bond. We know a single bond containing 2 electron. That electron is called bond pair electron 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So 10 electrons we filled, remaining we have only 30 electron. That 30 electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 electrons are filled, remaining we have 28 electron. That 28 electron must be filled on the oxygen atom first as lone pair of electron. How to fill in? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many electrons are filled? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 or 28 electrons are filled over. There is no pair of electron on nitrogen atom. So to get octet structure for nitrogen, all the oxygen get octet structure. One lone pair of electron from the oxygen atom is converted into bond pair of electron. So the final structure is nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Here you have one oxygen, here one oxygen, above one oxygen, nitrogen, one oxygen. Here you have double bond nitrogen, single bond oxygen, single bond, single bond. Here also double bond oxygen, single bond. Fill the remaining lone pair of electron, 2 lone pair of electron, 3 lone pair of electron. Here also 3 lone pair of electron, 2 lone pair of electron, here 2 lone pair of electron. There is no lone pair on nitrogen. Now count the number of electron around that element. We know nitrogen must be 5 electron around nitrogen, oxygen must be 6 electron. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So there is no plus or minus on this oxygen atom. Count the number of electron around nitrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 electron, shortage of 1 electron is indicated by a positive charge. And this oxygen 2, 4, 6, 7 electron. Therefore 1 minus. And for this oxygen 2, 4, 5, 6, there is no plus and minus on this oxygen atom. And this nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 5 electron, shortage of 1 electron indicated by plus. Come to this oxygen 2, 4, 6, 7, negative charge. 2, 4, 5, 6. So there is no plus or minus on this oxygen atom. This is the structure of nitrogen pentoxide or dinitrogen pentoxide. Thank you very much.